Hi there, welcome to my channel. So, you have a Google AdSense account and you have a site that is also approved for ads. And today you want to know, and in fact, even I want to know what happens to your site if you remove from AdSense. The following questions will come in your mind. Will Google approve your site easily again? Will Google penalize you for some reason? How many days it will take to reapprove your site? Will Google follow the same procedure like low value content? Make sure your site has unique content, etc. etc. Well, nothing to worry. Today, here in this video, I will test for you and show you the results. We will see what will happen when you remove your site. I am taking this risk. Yes, actually, if we don't know what will happen to our site, then it is a big risk. And why would someone do it when the site is already giving you income? It means for that number of days after deleting and until approval, I will be losing money. We all know how difficult it is to get AdSense approval. And there are so many people who are not even getting an AdSense approval in spite of reapplying several times. And here you have one guy, that's me, who wants to play with an approved site. Here you can see my site analytics, just for your information only. And it's a proof that I am generating income from this site. Well, I could have shown you the exact revenue that I am earning, but due to safety reasons, I have decided not to show you. So, sorry for that. Now, here you can see that I have a few sites already approved by Google. So, to remove any site, click on the site and click on delete site. Here it says that by clicking delete, it will stop showing ads on your site. Here, the most important point to remember is in case you are also running a sub-site or subdomain, then it will also stop showing ads there. So it is a big risk. I request not to take such a step in case you are having a subdomain. Again, just for your information, you might be knowing that Google has stopped the subdomain system. Therefore, if you delete a site that is already having a subdomain, then you will not get approval for subdomain. Means you will have to reapply separately. Finally, as usual, you will have to reapply your site again for approval if you delete now. In other words, just like before, I mean the first time or as a fresh site approval. In between that, let's have a look at my site so that you will get some idea. Let's type and then wait for it to open. So you see here, this is my site and you can also see the ads running. Now we will click on continue to delete the site. We do that and here you see the site is gone. Here if you refresh the site, the ads will be there for a few minutes and then the ads will be stopped. The first part of deleting the site is completed and you have understood the complete details. Now, after a few days later, I am adding the site again. Let's do that. Click on site, then new site. Here, paste your site URL and then click save. You will land here. I had not removed any of the ad codes from the site. My site is also linked via the SiteKit plugin. That is why the following information is shown here. Here I will click now and then click next. And now I will click on request review. You can see the process of site approval is same like a fresh site. After waiting for 3-4 days, the site was approved again, and here is the email confirmation. Well, that was risky. Risky because your site can also get disapproved due to several reasons like policy violation, low value content, and so on. I was lucky in this case because my site was within Google AdSense policies. So, friends, I am sure you have got good, valuable knowledge through this video and have seen what happens in case you delete your site. So, let's end the video here. You take care and bye bye.